Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send a one-time viewed photo on WhatsApp using the latest update on the PC app. This feature is perfect if you want to send a photo that can only be viewed once by the recipient, adding an extra layer of privacy. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's up and running, enter the chat where you want to send the one-time photo. Next, look for the attachment icon located at the bottom of the chat window. This is the small paperclip icon right next to where you type your messages. Click on it to bring up the attachment options. From the menu, select Photos and Videos. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to choose the photo you'd like to send. Once you've located the image you want to send, click on it, and then click Open. This will add the image to your chat, ready for you to send. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Before you hit Send, you'll notice an icon with the number 1 next to it. This is the one-time view feature. Click on this icon, and it will enable the one-time view mode for the photo. Once you've clicked the one-time view icon, the recipient will only be able to open and view the photo once. After they've seen it, the photo will automatically disappear from the chat. Finally, click *Send, and your one-time viewed photo will be sent. The recipient will now only be able to view the image once before it disappears. And that's it. You've just sent a one-time viewed photo on WhatsApp using your PC. It's a quick and simple way to share sensitive images with peace of mind, knowing they can't be saved or viewed multiple times. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.